obstruction in front of the camera. Put it up there and then get down here. You can see that the obstruction completely covers the entire half of the camera where the lens is. That's about a quarter-inch over the top of it, actually. So from this view, so I think even it doesn't matter, even if we came up from 45 degrees, we still couldn't see the lens cover. So okay, now put the obstruction about halfway. Is that about halfway? And move it to the right a little. And we can see our tower is quite above our light. And the GoPro is seeing the light. Oh, there we go. You can see that the obstruction here is quite a bit higher than the light in the camera's view. So now I'm going to move this obstruction over. How's that? Did I get it? Yeah, I got it. I'm seeing the reflection in the side. See, we get out from here, to get above the obstruction, there is the main image there in the middle, and then there's a reflection from the side there, and there's also a reflection over on that side as well. A couple, it looks like. But when you get down to where the camera is, the main view becomes completely occluded.